Isa lang yung masasabi ko sa komentong ito. Alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang, ginawa ninyong katawa-tawa ang buhay ng mga Pilipino. You are not concerned to our fellow Filipinos. Ang laki ng mga sweldo ninyo galing sa mga taxes namin, billions of money, at kumuha ka pa ng 300 mahigit billions of money para sa mga police body cam, para sa mga equipment. Ang question namin dito, yung accountability, being an official, being a democratic country, we have the right to complain and we have the right to know kung ano yung ginawa mo sa pera. Where is the money? Billions of money, over 300 billions of money. Makakabili na yan ng ilang warship. Makakabili na yan ng ilang warplanes. 5th generation supersonic fighting jet. Can you imagine? Sa laki ng halaga? Thousands of millions. Habang yung mga Pilipino wala nang kinakain at hindi pa safe dahil kayo, yung directives galing sa inyo, yung order na protektahan yung taong bayan, because that is your responsibility and that is your duties being a higher official to our policemen, to our authorities. Ang trabaho mo to protect the people, to serve the country, to serve our Filipino people, and to guide them and to protect them, make them safe. Pero ang ginawa ninyo, nilustay ninyo ang pera ng taong bayan, billions of money, hindi pa ninyo naprotektahan yung mga Pilipino, and that is your job, your responsibility. So pwede ka naming i-condemn, pwede ka naming ikulong, because our country comes from the power of the people, not by the politician. Yan ang ilagay mo, isip mo. You have no authority to interfere any national government. Yung duties mo nandoon sa local government, to guide, to protect, to give an orders, to protect our people, to serve our people, and that is your job. Hindi yung makialam ka sa Senado, and that is illegal. Kasi wala kang karapatan doon. You have no authority. Local government ang ina-assign sa bangag nating leader, and that is your job. And we have the power and we have the authority because our country, as a democratic country, the people have the sovereign authority to all the public servant and to all the official and to all the government in the Philippines. And that is our power. Did you understand, Mr. Remulla?
What?